really nice post-it notes. I didn't get everybody's. Last week on imagery. Someone tell me what imagery is, just real quick. Dylan?
It's like, wait, let me say. It's like, it's like, wow, it's hard to put what the different order of imagery is. Imagining, I don't even know what's that word. It's like imagining like what the authors like the authors are kind of telling you.
You're able to
think.
You're able to
Take a picture of
You're
it.
able to see in your You're able to see the picture in your mind. The words are so descriptive that you're able to picture that. Right? You remember that from last week?
Yeah.
Old news. We're going to talk about similes today. How many of you, before you even walked into this classroom a couple minutes ago, already knew what a simile was? Used it before? You could have given me a definition without me telling you. And I don't know about that.
Sort of can.
Alright, a simile is using like or as to compare two unlike things. Unlike things. Okay? My dog ran like an animal. Not a simile. I use like, but a dog and an animal are very similar things.
They are the same.
They need to be very unlike things. My dog ran like a bolt of lightning. Dog and a bolt of lightning are not anything like each other. Okay? Some similes can be very weak. Some similes can be very strong. The stronger similes have more description in them, and they compare two really unlike things. Okay? So be careful. I underline the unlike things here because that's where fifth graders get tripped up. Oh, it has like in it. It's a simile. No. It's when you compare them and they're very unlike things. Okay? I have a couple poems we're going to look at. Jake? Okay. Dylan?
Is this a simile? Good Lord to Dale Earnhardt Jr.
What?
Is that something? Good Lord to Dale Earnhardt Jr.
I can't even understand what you're saying.
Good Lord to Dale Earnhardt Jr.
Does that have like or as in it? No. I don't think so.
Okay.
So that would be a no. It has to have like or as, and it has to compare two unlike things. So let's see if we can find the simile. Here. This is an old poem called March. Maybe. Yeah, but it's not on our screen. Okay. I love my document camera. Okay. The sun is nervous as a kite.
Simile.
Right away, we have a simile. There's the word as. What are we comparing?
Sun and kite.
Sun and a kite, Mason. Two very unlike things. That can't quite keep its own string tight. Some days are fair and some are raw. The timid earth decides to fall. Shy budlets peep from twigs on trees, and robins join the chickadees. Pale crocuses poke through the ground, like noses come to sniff around. I see like or as. Isaac? The two things are not very much alike. What are the two things? Find them up there. We're in the second to last verse. Isaac, you can't find them if you're not looking. Pale crocuses poke through the ground, let noses come to sniff around. What are they, Kate? Crocuses and noses. Crocuses are those flowers that come up in the spring. I think they're purple, maybe. Most of them.
Oh, I got it.
The mud smells happy on our shoes. We still wear mittens, which we lose. All right, one more. Quiddling with words. I like words like perforate that snap neatly into brittle pieces like a cracker.
Simile.
What are you comparing there?
Brittle pieces in the cracker.
The words snapping like a cracker.
Cracker.
Like ricochet that spring madly like a grasshopper.
Simile. Simile.
Words to a grasshopper in a glass pickle jar. Like quiddle, which I just discovered in the dictionary, sandwiched between perforate and ricochet.
Simile.
All right, so today we're going to look for similes and categorizing, then you are going to look for similes in your own reading today. Okay? So if you hear a simile, I want you to say, simile. It might be worth a point. So try to listen for them.
Simile.
Again, what is a simile?
Something that is something that's unlike.
Like or as, with two unlike things. Okay?
Can I tap it?
Go ahead, Olivia.